In today's video, I will walk you through how to record starting conversion balances in Xero. Start by looking at the top of your Xero screen and find the Accounting tab. Click on Accounting to open the drop-down menu. From the available options, select Accounting Settings. Once you're in Accounting Settings, find and select Conversion Balances. This will take you to the section where you can enter your starting financial balances in Xero. Next, enter your conversion date. This is the date you're using as the starting point for entering your financial data from your previous records. Enter the appropriate conversion date in the available field. Once the conversion date is set, move on to entering the required balances. Use your previous accounting records to enter the relevant balances for your business as of the conversion date. These balances can include accounts receivable, accounts payable, bank balances, and any other balances that apply to your financial records. Enter each balance carefully and make sure the figures are accurate. The balances should reflect your financial position as of the conversion date. After you've entered all the required balances, review your entries. Check the conversion date and each balance you've entered to make sure the information is correct. Take a moment to check the figures before continuing. If any of the entries need to be corrected, make the necessary changes before saving. Once you've confirmed that the conversion date and balances are accurate, click Save.Xero will save your entries and recognize these conversion balances as the starting point for your accounting data. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully entered your starting conversion balances in Xero. The conversion balances are now entered in Xero and set as your starting point for the accounting data. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow. Please like and subscribe.